Ellipse. An ellipse is formed by a plane intersecting a cone at an angle to its base. All ellipses have two focal points or foci. The sum of distances from every point on the ellipse to the foci is a constant. All ellipses have center and a major and minor axis. All ellipses have eccentricity values greater than or equal to 0 or less than 0. Parts of the ellipse: covertex, vertex, semi-minor axis, focus, linear eccentricity, center, semi-major axis. Vertex, the point at which a parabola changes direction, corresponding to the minimum or maximum value of the quadratic function. Axis of symmetry, a vertical line drawn through the vertex of parabola, around which the parabola is symmetric. Zeros, in a given function, the value of x at which y is equal 0, also called roots. Center, the midpoint between the two foci, the intersection of the major and minor axis. Major axis, the longer diameter of the ellipse. Minor axis, the shorter diameter of the ellipse. Eccentricity is equals to C divided by A, where C is the distance from the center to the focus of the ellipse. A is the distance from the center to a vertex. Foci of an ellipse or focus. Two fixed points on the interior of an ellipse used in the formal definition of the curve. So this is the formula for the ellipse, which is not centered to the 0, 0. So later, I will give you an example for this on how to solve this equation. Hi guys! Welcome again sa YouTube channel ko. Today's video, tuturuan ko kayo ng standard equation na yung ellipse ay hindi naka-center sa foci. So, paano natin siya hanapin? So, this is our problem. Determine the standard form equation of the ellipse having a foci of 0, 1 and 4, 1 and a major axis of a length of 6. So, paano natin siya isi-solve? So, first step that you will do is just given will be ang foci ay 0 and 1 and 4 and 1. Tapos ang kanyang center of the ellipse, bigyan ng value 2 and 1. So ito na yung H at saka K. So ano pa yung hinahanap? Distance center to one of the points. Distance from the center, okay. Anong value? Yung foci mo, C is equal to 2. Guys, ha? Then, paano natin mag-solve yung so we know meron tayo tinatawag na 2A. So, 2A equals to 6 divided by 2 divided by 2. And then A is equal to 3. So, meron na tayo A is equal to 3. Saan siya galing? So, meron tayo tinatawag na Pythagorean A squared minus B squared. Dito yung galing Dito yung galing sa parang Pythagorean theorem. So, B squared, para mas maintindihan tayo mag-show. So, we have B squared equals to A squared minus C squared. And then B, substitute yung A, 3 squared. And then C squared will be 2. So, yung B, magiging 9 minus 4 square root. And B is equal to square root of 5. Okay. So, balikan natin yung formula na H and A. Yung horizontal, formula, X minus H squared, and then A squared plus Y minus A squared, and then squared. So, paano natin substitute? Meron na tayong H. Ano yung H natin? Ano yung natin? Center natin. Yung 2 and 1. So, ito, X minus 2 squared plus Y minus A. Ano yung value? Which is equivalent to 1 squared. Meron tayong A. Ano yung A natin? Ano ba ang square root ng A? So, ito yung square root ng A natin, which is 9. Tandaan nyo, Kasi 3 squared So, ito 3 squared naging 9. And then, yung B squared natin, diba sa square root? Square root, guys, So, 5 squared. Inansel yung itong square root. So, meron siyang natitirang X minus squared ito tinanggal plus Y minus 1 squared 9 which is A, hindi A yan 9 and then 5. So this will be our final answer. So yan ang magiging answer niya sa given. So guys, later papakita ko sa inyo yung pinaka itsura nitong problem na to. Ano yung itsura niya kung ito ay hindi center sa origin. So, sa inyo yung problem, pagmasdan nyo mabuti yung sinolve ko, then pag nakuha nyo yung sinolve ko, pag-aaralan nyo kung paano lumabas ang standard form sa given kong mga foci at center at saka yung major axis nito. So, yun ang mga steps. So, ang pinaka-answer ko dito yung nakaback. Kasi hinahanap talaga natin yung equation. Okay. So, susunod ko yung figure. So, guys, ito papakita ko yung figure na sinolve natin equation standard form. So, ito lumabas na x minus 2 squared divided by 9 plus y minus 1 squared divided by 5. So, alam naman natin na itong maikli, yan ang tinatawag na minor axis, ito yung major axis. So, ay yung center kanina, 2 and 1. Ito yan So, magbibilang ka ng 1, 2, and then 1. And then, yung focus niya, or foci, so, 0, 1, and then 4, 1. Tandaan nyo. So, yan ang magiging pattern. So, yan ang kalalabasan ng ating figure pag dinaro natin yung kanilang problem na standard form. So, guys, magkakaroon pa tayo ng isa pang problem solving regarding with ellipse. So, ito yung problem natin ulit. X squared plus 4y squared minus, plus 6x minus 8y plus 9 is equals to 0. So, i-rewrite natin uli siya para ang gagawin natin, itong x squared tsaka 6x. So, x squared plus 6x. And then, lagyan natin ng blank. Tapos, plus. Okay. And then, second step natin, pagsamahin natin yung 4y. Take note Yan muna. And then, 4y squared minus 8y plus blank. Tapos, itong 9, paglipat mo sa kabila, magiging negative 9. Then, ano ba ang kalahati ng 6x? So, kalahati ng 6x, ito lagay natin 3 squared. Ito naman, so, ganyan ang mangyayari dyan Tapos, ito, factor out natin, y minus 8y. Is that correct? Tapos, ang kalahat, ay 2 na lang pala to. 2. Kasi, 4 times 2, kalahati niyan ay 1. 1 squared is equals to negative 9. Ngayon, ito, palibasa, meron siyang factor na 1. So, ito ay magpa-plus 9. Tapos, add din natin to sa 4 and 1. Yan. Take note Tapos, ito makakancel na yan. So, ito ibabalik natin sa form. So, ito ay x plus 3 squared. Bakit? Kasi x times x squared. 3x and 3x yun yung 6x. And 3 times 3 will be 9. So, ito 4. Ito naman, pagka inano natin, kasi 1 na yan, y, 1 minus 1 is squared. Kasi, y squared, ito yon. Then, 2y, and negative 2y, negative 2y. So, y1, y negative 1, y negative 1, or negative 1y, pag inad mo yun, negative 2y. So, negative times negative will become positive. And then, after that, so, matitira ay 4. So, paano natin siya gagawing standard form? Ito kasi, i-cross out natin. So, x plus 3 squared. So, this will become 4. Ito kasi may 1. So, y minus 1. Ito ay 1. And then, ito, 4 over 4 is equals to 1. So, yan ang magiging answer niyan. Pero, hindi pa yan ang pinaka-final answer, guys. Kasi, x plus 3. So, squared. And then, kasi nangyari dyan, y minus 1. Ito is, ano pa to kumbaga, naka-square root pa yan. Ano bang square root ng 4? Edi 2. Ano bang square root ng 1? Edi 1. So, 1 divided by 1, and the answer is 1. So, ito yung pinaka-final answer ng given natin. So, ito yung standard form. Yan. So, yan. So, ito yung pinaka-final answer. So, that will be, ano kaya magiging tsura niya? So, papakita ko yung video later kasi wala tayong enough space para pakita ko yung i-draw natin. Okay. Okay, guys. Ito yung figure na sinolve natin. So, ito yung kalabasan ng nakuha natin yung standard form equation. So, pag dinrawing natin siya, ganito yung lalabas. So, alam naman natin ang center ay negative 3 and 1. So, ito ay 3, tapos magbibilang tayo ng 1. Take note So, yung kanyang tinatawag na focus, which is negative 3 and 2, and then negative 3, 0. So, yung natin, minor axis natin, which is 1. Ito yung 1. Tapos, syempre, alam natin na ito ay 4. So, magbibilang tayo ng 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, after that, ito yung pinaka-foci natin. So, yan yung figure na kinalabasan ng natin, area natin. So, pag masdan nyo mabuti, then after that, magkakaroon uli ako ng isang example. Yan o yung foci. Negative 3 minus square root of 3, and then 1, then negative 3 plus square root of 3 plus 1. Okay? So, magkakaroon pa tayo ng isa pang video. Okay guys, welcome again sa YouTube channel ko. Pagpapatuloy natin ang pagkuha ng center, vertices, and foci ng ellipse. So, meron tayong given na equation na 4x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 4y minus 8 is equals to 0. So, i-rewrite lang natin uli siya. So, step ng gagawin natin ay pagsasamahin uli natin yung 4x squared minus 8x. Tapos, lagyan natin siya ng blank. Tapos, parenthesis. Kasi ito ay magiging completing the square. So, y squared plus 4y plus blank. Ito, paglipat sa kabila, magiging 8. So, factor natin to 4x squared minus 2x plus blank. And then, y. O, kalahati ng 4y. Ano ba kalahati? So, ay magiging 2 na to. Tama ba? Kalahati 2. Squared. Ito naman, pag pinactor out mo to, x squared minus 2x, ito ay magiging 1. So, 1 times 1, ulitin ko squared yan So, 1 times 1, 1, and then 4, and then ito magiging y plus 2 squared. Tama ba? 8. So, ito 4. And then, x minus 1. So, yan ang magiging ano niyan. Yan yung susunod na step. Squared. Ini-squared ko na to. Abang, bakit ganyan? Kasi negative times negative. So, ito negative times negative. Tapos, yung gitna niyan, negative x plus negative x, 2 squared. And then, x times x. And then, y plus 2 squared is equals to 8. Tapos, yung 8 na yan, anong i-add natin para maging, So, yung 8, itong 4. So, guys, meron pang 4. So, 4 times 1, ito yon plus 4 times 1, and then, plus 4 uli. Okay. So, re-rewrite natin siya. Itong 4 times 1 will become 8 times 4, or 8 plus 8. 4 times 1, 8 plus 8. And then, so, anong susunod na step natin? 4, x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared. Okay. So, ito 60 na. 60 na yan. O, iburahin ko na lang to para kasi 60 na yan. So, ito divide natin sa 16. Divide natin to sa 16. Divide natin sa 16. So, ano ba ang lowest term ng 416? So, ang lowest ng 416 will be x minus 1 squared. So, ito magiging 4. Tama ba? Tapos, y minus plus 2 squared then 60 equals to 1. So, ayan ito na yung equation yan. So, ito na yung pinaka-equation. So, hindi pa yan tapos. Hindi pa yan tapos So, x minus 1 squared. Tapos, ito ay magiging. Ito, i-squared natin ulit. Balik natin siya ganyan. And then, y plus 2 squared will become 4 squared. Kasi 4 squared, 16. And then, 16 divided by 16 is plus 1. So, hanapin natin yung h and k. So, paano natin ma-determine yung H, okay. So, ano natin? So guys, pagpapatuloy natin yung H and K. So 1 and negative 2. So magsusolve tayo. C squared is equals to B squared minus A squared. So alam naman natin, ang B natin ay 4 squared. And then, ang A squared natin ay 2 squared, right? So, second step natin, ito ay magiging 16 minus 4. Tapos, 16 minus 4 will become 12. So, ano square root ng 12? So, 2 square root of 3. Okay, yan na. Tapos, syempre, kailangan ipakita ko na rin yung figure. Kung ano mangyayari sa given natin. So, ito yung figure. Tingnan nyo, ha. So, yan yung figure for dinrawing natin na x minus 1 squared, y plus 2 squared. So, h and k natin 1 and negative 2. So, ito yung a squared and then b squared. So, ganito siya pataas. So, ito yung major axis, ito yung minor axis. So, ito yung vertex na 1 and negative 6. So, ang center natin, so, palibasa 1 siya, tapos magbibilang ang negative 2. So, ito naman ang kanyang focus. So, ito yung focus. Ito yung vertex na 1 and negative 6. And then 1 and 2. So, yan na magiging itsura ng drawing natin. Okay? So, hope you guys naintindihan nyo lahat yung mga lesson natin or yung mga videos lesson natin para nagkaroon kayo ng exams, madali na siyang makuha. Okay? Salamat!